Newest HP 14-inch Chromebook HD touchscreen laptop PC. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I had a business class HP laptop for the past 3 years. And while it was dependable and easy to use, it seemed that every time it got a Windows update, something else stopped working properly. Deciding to go with a Chromebook was one of the best decisions I've made. It is compact, easy to use, lightweight, and I love the touchscreen feature. The battery lasts a very long time. It boots up quickly and multitasks well. Can't say enough good things about this laptop/tablet. The battery life is outstanding and can multitask with ease. Great for work and great for streaming services. The only gripe was the picture quality isn't great, but wasn't expecting top of line either. Hopefully it holds up well, but time will tell. Product description. Operating system: Google Chrome OS, automatically downloads and installs security and software updates, so you don't have to waste your time managing patches and waiting for restarts. Display: 14-inch HD touchscreen with backlight 1366 by 768. Processor: Intel Celeron processor and 3351.1 GHz, turbo boost up to 2.4 GHz. Memory: 4 GB system memory. Storage: 32 GB empty flash memory. Features: built-in cloud support, built-in virus protection and Google products. Graphics: Intel HD Graphics 500. Media reader: built-in media reader for simple photo transfer. Wireless: next-generation wireless connectivity. Webcam: built-in HP True Vision HD webcam with dual-array microphone. Optical drive: none. Dimension: 13.3 by 8.9 by 0.7. Weight: 3.4 pounds. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.